Have you ever wondered how a tiny 12-volt signal can safely control high-voltage devices? In this video, we'll break down the 12 volts relay from zero to expert level. By the end, you'll know exactly how it works, when to use it, and how to wire it like a professional. A relay is an electrically operated switch that allows a low-power circuit to control a high-power circuit safely. This makes relays essential in automation systems, automotive electronics, industrial equipment, and smart home projects. Inside every relay, there are four main components. Coil generates a magnetic field when voltage is applied. Armature, a movable metal lever pulled by the magnet. Spring returns the armature to its original position. Contacts, the metal points that open or close the circuit. When 12 volts energize the coil, the magnetic field pulls the armature, changing the contact state instantly. Most 12 volts relays use 5 pins. 1 and 2 coil pins control side. 3 common terminal. 4 normally open and O. 5 normally closed and C. Normally open means the circuit stays OFF until the relay is activated. Normally closed means the circuit stays on until the relay is triggered. You might ask, why use a relay when transistors and MOSFETs exist? Relays provide electrical isolation between control and load circuits. They handle high voltage safely and are extremely reliable in noisy electrical environments. That's why engineers still trust relays in critical systems. Imagine controlling a 220-volt lamp using a small microcontroller. Connecting it directly would destroy the board instantly. But with a relay, a tiny 12-volt signal can switch the high-voltage circuit safely. Relays come in many types: electromechanical, solid-state, timer, and thermal, each designed for specific control tasks. 12 volts relays are widely used in automotive systems, industrial automation, power distribution, smart home devices, motor control, lighting systems. Now you understand how a simple relay can control powerful electrical systems safely and efficiently. Mastering components like this is the foundation of becoming truly skilled in electronics. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn electronics in a practical and professional way, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Your next project might be easier than you think.